When one or more of the Office Calendar client users experience syncing issues, there are typically 3 things to check that can help correct the problem very quickly. The first thing to check is to simply make sure Microsoft Outlook is allowing the Office Calendar client icons to load properly on the machines that are not synchronizing. Determining this is easy by simply looking for the Office Calendar client icons underneath the Microsoft Outlook Add-ins tab, at the top. If the Office Calendar tools are missing, please watch the How to Recover Missing Office Calendar Client Icons video, which will help to recover those Office Calendar tools and hopefully restore the syncing functionality. If the Office Calendar client icons are already visible, the second thing to check is to see if the Office Calendar client is set to online status. The fastest and easiest way to determine this is by simply looking at the Office Calendar sync icon at the top. If it appears as a calendar with a lightning bolt, it is online and waiting to perform its next sync. If it displays as a globe with arrows, it is online and currently syncing. However, if the Office Calendar client sync icon appears as a red circle with an X, it is offline and cannot sync. If you discover that an Office Calendar client is set to offline status, and you want to set them back online, simply click on the red circle X and choose Yes at the prompt, which will re-engage the sync cycle for that user again. Hopefully, once all involved users resync again, the issues will be resolved. If so, great job! Way to go! If the Office Calendar client is loading properly in Outlook and the icons are visible, and the Office Calendar client is set online and attempting to sync by showing the globe with arrows without any other errors, but there is still a syncing issue, the third and final thing to check is the last sync date and time for each user involved. This can be easily determined by clicking the Office Calendar Tools icon at the top, which will open the Office Calendar Client configuration window. Next, click the User Details tab and see if the last sync date and time is current. If the last successful synchronization date and time is current, and it seems to be updating after every new Office Calendar client sync, then the sync cycles are completing successfully on that machine, and any continuing syncing issues are likely going to be found on another Office Calendar client machine or mobile device. However, if the last successful synchronization date and time appears outdated, or reflects a date and time far into the past and it does not show a new date and time after every new Office Calendar client sync attempt, then the Office Calendar client may very well have an issue with their sync cycle, and we suggest please contacting technical support for additional help. Please check these 3 easy steps on all machines involved to ensure they are all performing properly, as it's not always the machine you suspect that's actually causing the issues. And please don't hesitate to contact technical support for any assistance. Thanks for watching. Click the link to check out our other helpful videos, and don't hesitate to call customer service with any questions.